storytelling at the Lakeview Nature Center
Butterflies.
for butterflies and
I
caterpillars.
see these little white ones flying around.
Did you see those?
White ones.
Where?
No, I mean flying around, but they're tiny.
Maybe moths?
Yeah, moth. Oh, you think those are moths?
Could be.
Yeah. Oh, that's a no. Oh, the knee. Those are big, better. They fly a lot. California. I thought maybe they keep flying. They get. You think of that many miles, you get.
Well, they fly like hawks.
Oh yeah.
You know they go. You know when the hawks are just
those
floating
big,
around
oh, yeah?
up in the air. They will fly way up in the air and then just coast down.
Oh really? Wow.
That's how they make it all the way to Mexico.
A lot of pictures, huh?
Well,
Oh, you're.
you want to talk about the butterflies?
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
They fly a lot of miles to California, Florida, Mexico.
Yeah. Have you seen them?
Huh?
Have you seen them?
Yeah, I mean, not in the air, but I don't see too many of those.
Okay, well, I think that's what they say.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh. You like fishing?
Yes.
Yeah? This makes you hungry.
Oh, it's early.
I mean, when we get back, I don't know.
It's early yet.
I don't have that much hair, but I don't have that, get a haircut fast. I fished here a long time ago.
What do you catch?
Huh?
What do you catch?
I don't know. I lost the hook, but I don't know what kind of fish it was. I'm sure it was a big one because they took the hook.
Okay, because the fish got...
Yeah. We have fishing poles, but they're mostly tangled, you know. Ah, Denise.
Is it a video?
Yeah.
You got two video cameras.
The little one.
The monarch butterfly is goldenrod, and then wildflower, and Jason and Tommy ran after it. Faster, said Jason. The boys could barely keep up as the monarch flew across town. How many boys following the butterfly now?
Oh, you see everybody run around the lake.
Yeah.
Over the park. How are the boys following the butterfly?
Are we here till noon?
Should we leave by lunchtime? We're leaving probably in a few minutes.
5 minutes?
In a few, yeah.